Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Avianca application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the discover button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the turn on notifications button. And as you can see, you can enable notifications for trip updates and discounts and offers. So if you want to enable them, just click on the white circle next to them, and once they turn red, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.